It's a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. Versatility, safety, connectivity, beauty. To a T, this is the Pacifica. The 3.6-liter V6 engine is mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission for a fuel-efficient and strong drive. Quickly pack everyone and everything in with the ease of dual sliding side doors and the many advantages of third-row stow-and-go seats and driver's seat stow-in assist. The Smart Brake, Hill Start Assist, Park View rear backup camera, and latch-ready child seat anchor system helps keep everyone safe. Stay connected with a touchscreen display, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, and the USB media hub. Get the fuel efficiency and utility you need in a family vehicle. Come in for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.